Just arrived in this beautiful one owner car. It's a Volvo V40 R Design Edition T2 engine. It's a 2-litre petrol, 120 brake horsepower. Great looking car. Raced in January 2019 with full Volvo service history. Those wheels are absolutely gorgeous on the car. The 5 twin spoke alloys. Onyx black metallic. Really does look fabulous on the car. Rear privacy glass. Rear parking sensors. Nice R design badge on the rear. Great size boot on these. All the loading area unmarked. All the boot in great condition, not being abused. Split folding rear seats. Additional storage just under there. All the toolkit there complete. All the bodywork is great, no major dents, scratches, scuffs anywhere down there. As I mentioned, these alloy wheels, all in great condition, with matching Michelin tyres all the way around. Again, you've got the front parking sensors, beautiful across the front, no major scuffs or dents are down there, all looking very, very nice. Get all the trims in great condition. Full black leather upholstery, plenty of leg room in there, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there, central armrest, great attention to detail with the white stitching on the leather. Again, all the driver's trim in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Electric seats and memory seats. Again, just the attention to detail with the perforation there on the leather and the white stitching, white piping. Pure quality. Great seats, they really do hug you in. Front centre armrest. With USB in there, lots of storage in there. Couple of cup holders there. They really are great spec on these. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Just look at the mileage, 23,000 miles. That's so it's done 23,328. January 2019. Got the push button start, satellite navigation, all just loaded up, DAB stereo, Bluetooth phone connection, nice clear map for the satellite navigation. Reverse camera, just makes it a little bit easier for parking. Again, everything's all controlled from that module there. You've got dual climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, onboard computer, gives you various readings of miles per gallon, fuel range, cruise control, speed limiter. Again, nice easy on the steering wheel. Just set the limit to whatever you want. Nice and clear layout. Got voice activation.
Please select a line number or say correction.
Number 2.
Number 2 accepted. Please select a line number or say next page.
Number 1.
Number 1 accepted. Would you like to start route guidance?
Yes. Yes.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Just also very simple and easy. Electric folding mirrors. What a fabulous car. 2 litre, 120 brake horsepower, great spec. So there we have it, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, of course full HPI checked and clear, pod exchange always welcome, great finance available, HP or PCP. Use our finance calculator online off our website to work out your deposits, your monthly payments, and apply direct off our website, quick and easy. You can reserve this car 24/7 off our website if you fancy it. At 2 o'clock in the morning, simply hit the button, reserve it, and we have our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll give you your money back, no questions asked. If you do fancy this car, please call before arriving. Many customers have missed out, simply turning up to find out the car has been sold previously. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars is a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. No additional admin fees. The price you see is the price you pay. We did the videos to give you full confidence to buy this car unseen. You can click and collect this vehicle direct from our showrooms. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. As for further details, happy to help. 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.